Jaaziah your marriage a blessing.
Hi, welcome to Marital Workshop with your girl, Blessing. This is the place where you get to gist up your marriage with Blessing. My sister, you deserve a blissful marriage. That is why you need to stick with me, follow me, and do practically everything I ask you to do on this platform. With me by your side, your marriage will be sweet, happy, and juicy. You don't need to quit your marriage. You don't need to leave your man. All you need to do is stick with me and let's build your marriage together on Marital Workshop with Blessing. Last week we talked about knowing when to back down. Okay, know when to back down when you have an argument with your spouse. Know when to back down. But this week we will be talking about knowing when to stand your ground. Now, standing your ground, you need to use wisdom. You need to use wisdom in standing your ground. Okay, now if I say stand your ground, not rudely or fightfully. Okay, maybe trying to fight him to stop or try to fight him to change. No, you need to change him with love. Honestly, I am a product of love. When I just got married, in my early years, when I just got married to my husband used to be this spiritual juggernaut. And I was just a new believer. I just got to know about Christ. Now, there are some things I don't really know. When my husband tells me, hey, tell me this thing is wrong, I'll be like, no, don't tell me that. No. No, when he sees that I'm angry, that he doesn't want me to feel like it's just too hard on me, so he just let it go. Then after a time, it comes again. Oh, this thing is wrong. This thing you are doing is wrong. And I'm like, what is all this? Now, with time, now with maturity and everything, I get to understand that, oh, it's true. All of these things are definitely wrong. Then I try to change. I could change because my husband changed me lovingly. He changed me well with the way he talks to me and the way the love he showed me. It made it so easier for me to change. But the same way, if your husband behaves in a way that you don't like, you need to change him. You need to stand your ground for him to change. And remember, when standing your ground, not disrespectfully and not robbing him of his honor. When you see that your husband has a particular habit that is so strong or so tough to get rid of, then you have to call on your God. You have to call on your God. You know, you have to help him spiritually. Pray for him, prayerfully advise him, prayerfully talk to him. And trust me, he will change. You will definitely change. You will definitely change. I was not like this when I just got married. If I can be better like this, trust me, that situation with your husband can definitely change. That situation with your wife can definitely change. It's just a matter of time and love. Show your husband absolute love, 100% love. I tell you, those things you want him to do, he will do for you. The same thing with your wife. If you feel your wife is someone you really need, that she gives you tough time, or you feel she's problematic, really no, there's something she wants you to do for her that you've not gotten. Okay, learn to talk about it. Okay, and remember, standing your ground, not by beating her as the man, is by talking to her lovingly as a husband. Okay, trust me, if you do this, I tell you, your marriage will become 100% sweet, 100% perfect. I tell you. Now, when I say standing your ground, it means letting your spouse know that you are against those things they're doing, and you do not endorse doing wrong, endorse the wrong things they're doing. Now, it doesn't mean you're against them. It's against what they are doing. You are against what the wrongs that they are doing. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and also comment, yes, and share. Thank you. Bye. I'll see you next week Saturday again. Bye.
Jaaziah your marriage a blessing.